Doing nothing.
Do it?
Can you show the people the outside, the rain?
No.
Yes. Show them this rain. That's depressing me. What is Coco doing in that bathroom? I just keep saying flash.
Don't worry about me. Y'all want to sit in here. Hi, I'm in the bathroom. I was attempting to take a picture, although I do have my girls here who could have took it. So come on. How you doing? Atlanta trip. No, day 3 in the house. You know, we tried
show
to do our
outside.
thing.
Show
yeah, let's show the real outside. We would show you the window, but this is what you need to see.
Go.
Oh, y'all, Doreetha. Get your shoes on, Doreetha. No, as a matter of fact, we live in a real nice time. It's raining, guys. This is what we came. We drove here miles away for this. It's okay. Something over there.